Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to share with you how to make these cabochon eyes. To start, you must download the eyes ready to print. In this case they are in a WinRAR format. Click on the right mouse button and press the extract option here, and you will automatically get the files. There you select the one you want to print, and that's it. I will leave you the link in the description where you can get this eye. I got this sheet of 75 grams, but I recommend one with a higher number of grams so that the resin doesn't stain the sheet because it is too thin. This is how your eyes should be printed. You start by mixing the resin in equal parts. You mix both products. A little resin is placed in each eye, and the cabochon is put on the eyes printed with the glue and pressed so that the bubbles come out. Let them dry and cut the edge with scissors. Clean with pharmaceutical alcohol and ready. If you liked this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe for more content.